Today I will show how you can fix this error by using series of multiple fix. First, sign out and sign in on Microsoft Store. Then go to Change Date and Time Settings. And then select your time zone properly. After it, go to Troubleshoot Settings and go to Additional Troubleshooters. Then troubleshoot the Windows Store applications. Lastly, click on Windows button and then type this command and run it as administrator. Hopefully one of the fix would work in your case. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.